Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the 4 days chart here, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing an impulse toward the upside with a wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario, you're looking for a very sharp wave, of course WXY and XZ here, a very complex structure. And finishing with it, of course, wave B or a wave 2. And then, of course, we're looking to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing wave 1 for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, supposedly, of course, to reach a little bit higher here. But, of course, you see your wave 4 almost very, very close to the invalidation point. We're going to see what happened, of course. And we are looking here, of course, for higher 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 3 should be higher. Of course, this is our wave 3 here as 4 and a 5 to reach around the 1 to 1 flip level for an A, B, and a C. A, B, and a C in a zigzag, or in a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, your wave 3 has to reach the 1.618 at $93. Now, in case you are bearish, you are looking, of course, for a longer correction A, B, and a C towards the downside. Meaning, of course, this complex structure has transformed definitely for a 3 corrective waves and then 3 corrective waves toward the upside in case, of course, we are corrective here. And then moving for a wave C toward the downside, of course, for a bigger scenario where you might have a big wave 1 and 2 and then 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Meaning, of course, your wave 2 or your wave B has to shift to this side in case, of course, we move lower. That's very, very simple. But basically, right now, we're still, of course, over, and we're still looking for green here. So let's move in to see what happened. So we were looking for a wave 4 here, and our invalidation point is exactly the $13. Wow, we didn't hit it even. We hit the blue box perfectly as expected, but we didn't hit, of course, the invalidation yet. So yeah, I mean, officially we're still in a wave 4. Very crazy. So very, very deep wave 4, of course, and we're moving potentially toward the upside. But of course, we're gonna see what's going on inside this, guys. It's not very, very clear yet. So we are looking here, of course, at potential wave 1 or wave A. Potential wave 1 because, of course, a leading diagonal possibly here, right? A possible leading diagonal is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, if the wave 5 is longer than this wave 3, therefore already invalidation. Let me check wave 5 diagonal. Yes, overshooted. So no, it cannot be actually. Another reading can be, of course, wave 1, but here. Because you have potentially here wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. You have double 1, 2 anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course. And 3 waves down. And then 2. Yeah, so this is your wave 2. Or 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then wave 2 here. Exactly. Okay, so this is what's going on. Exactly. Okay, it can be even a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still can be an impulse even here, A, B, C, or it can be here. It doesn't matter. Of course, we have to move inside it so deeply, but no need to move inside it. Both case can be 1, 2 here, or it can be a wave A here, A, and then B, and then, of course, you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, this, of course, wave 1 is considered for this diagonal, and then 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, but we are looking right now, yes, so we have finished wave 3. Considering we have finished a wave 3, then you're looking for a wave 4 still. If this is your wave 4, your invalidation point, therefore, it can be this one here. Yeah, so basically we are still in a wave 4 here. Yeah. And it might need some time, and that's why we are ranging here. You have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and potentially, of course, moving for higher here for a wave C. Yeah, so this is what is going on. And with this wave 2 here, taken from the wave 3 time, you still need, of course, to range a while for a wave 4 here. I don't think that we're gonna, of course, easily get out from here. I think this is gonna be 3 wave up, 3 wave down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially, or W and then X and a Y somehow, and then moving toward the downside. So there is a big blue box here, and let's take also the fib levels. So we have our wave 3 exactly here as a wave 4 for an impulse. We got this, all right, this is our fibs, and yeah, we need to hit these boxes. Here we go. Yeah, so basically this is what we are looking for here. And if we are looking for a wave 4 here, so I think this one we can remove it. Okay. Yeah, so we have basically this is your invalidation. Let's add it. Invalidation of bearish. So if we hit this price, meaning of course we will not take the low anymore. Yeah. If we hit this price here at 19.67, we will not take the low anymore. So preferably the price will range inside this area and continue toward the downside for a wave 5, yeah, for this wave 5 here, which is still missing. So very, very choppy, but still of course can be decoded, right? So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1, ABC for your wave 2. You have here almost like 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finished your wave 3. In the magenta, you're looking for 3 waves up, meaning you're still corrective, expanding wave B, of course, and expanding flat for a wave C, and potentially creating another structure as well for the X and Y, and then moving toward the downside for a wave 5, potentially. Now, if we move directly from here, also is of course potential. Nobody knows, but that will be very, very fast. Preferably, of course, to wait for the perfect time. Preferably, yeah. So the final fib level, of course, that you would like to hit is a 0.5. Yeah, you don't want to overshoot it because you are very, very close to invalidation in case you are bearish, of course. In case you are bullish, of course, you want to hit this one and you want to see a formation for kind of a 1-2 here and continuation for higher prices. But yeah, I think this is a little bit far scenario right now. We are still bearish here. Once you finish this wave toward the downside, this is gonna be your wave A, right? This is gonna be your wave A here, and then B and a C to hit the next box, right? So we're gonna have A, B, and a C toward the downside, right? Let's label this as well. So we're looking for a big A, B, and a C, and of course the bearish color. Here we go. Yeah, so that was it for link. If you want to also check the KGT, we can do this. So on KGT here for the link, yeah, very obviously we are in bearish, very strong signal in conversions, of course, with the top here. So we might finish here in yeah, and running flat. A, B, and a C. Be careful, we got our 5 waves up. If it finishes by failing taking the high, meaning of course it's a running flat, meaning it is a reversal, guys, for the market. So we have to be careful from this. If we get a 5 ways toward the upside here finished and failing to take the high, this might become a reversal for the market, right? 3 ways down, 5 ways up, failing to take it, meaning of course bearish toward the downside. Yeah, so that was it for link. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.